Hi, I'm Bob LaBelle, CEO of XTI Aircraft Company. I want to welcome you to our display here at NBAA and to the revolution we're bringing to personal air travel. The XTI team is committed and on track to make the TriFan 600 a reality. Imagine taking off in this spectacular airplane vertically from your driveway or from the helipad next to your downtown office building and flying 1,000 miles directly to a helipad in another city or a remote job site. Imagine you and your family being flown from home directly to the front door of your vacation home. No airport, no runway, no problem. Incredible convenience, point-to-point long-distance air travel at 30,000 feet with the speed and luxury of a business aircraft for the first time in the history of aviation. Our leadership team and our plan are strong, and global interest is high. We've had decades of experience bringing new aircraft to market. We know what it takes to finance, design, and certify aircraft and launch a program of this magnitude. So far, we have over 500 investors, numerous large industry partners, and we have received multiple orders for the TriFan 600. We're dedicated to creating a company that will grow and prosper for all stakeholders. This is not an electric urban air taxi. We do not require new infrastructure or new regulations. We're using proven technology to deliver a robust 6-seat, long-range aircraft that can land and take off vertically from almost any location and take you far. We've performed extensive market analysis and have feedback that makes us confident our initial orders will grow and we will disrupt and capture significant portions of the light aircraft transport market while creating new markets based on the unique and unprecedented capabilities offered by the TriFan 600. Please check with the people at our reception desk in this booth to make an appointment with me or another member of our executive team to discuss this investment opportunity of a lifetime, or to reserve your place in line for our revolutionary aircraft, the TriFan 600. Have a great time at the convention, and thank you for visiting XTI Aircraft Company.